heard the saying, scared money don't make money. It's true. It's true. Starting a business takes tenacity. It takes balls. It takes money. It takes risk. That's the reason most people don't ever start their dreams. That's the reason most people don't ever live their dreams, is because they're so afraid. Imagine just holding on to the couple bucks that you have, wanting them to expand and wanting them to grow. The reality is, scared money doesn't make money. You gotta put it out there. You gotta bet on yourself. You gotta belly up to the poker table and push your chips into the middle and bet on you.